We all love delicious food and drinks, and we want our food to taste as good as always. But many of us now seek healthier options, such as cutting back on sugar and salt in our diets. This creates a challenge for food and beverage producers everywhere.
There is definitely an increased demand for lowering sugar and lowering salt in the consumer's diet in this part of the world, and increasing concern for the government as well for the consumer's well-being. One of the challenges on reformulating lower sugar products and lower salt is how do you ensure that the product is still well preferred by the consumers and palatable.
Meeting that demand means finding new ways to deliver the same great taste while reducing staple ingredients. But as manufacturers continue to innovate for nutrition, they're also tackling the growing impact of climate change, which affects the very ingredients that bring our favourite foods to life. Today's challenge is to keep products affordable and delicious while ensuring long-term global supply chain stability. One of the businesses facing this challenge head-on is taste and nutrition solutions company Kerry, which offers innovative reformulation solutions for the food, beverage and pharma sectors, developing ingredients that improve nutritional profiles while retaining the flavours we desire. To achieve this, one of Kerry's key solutions is Taste Sense, which is based on taste modulation technology.
Modulation technology is the technology which will react with your saliva and generate certain taste that taste signal to your brain, and you can perceive as sweet, sour, and bitter, and salt.
When it comes to providing healthier choices and combating preventable conditions such as diabetes and cardiovascular disease, Kerry has developed science-based reformulation to combat excessive sugar consumption with Taste Sense Sweet, and also importantly, salt intake through Taste Sense Salt.
Sodium reduction is actually more complex than sugar and fats reduction. So it's not a simple case of just reducing salt or reducing all these ingredients, because it will actually unbalance the flavor profile and also impact the performance of the product itself. We're able to deliver the second generation of Taste Sense sodium reduction that can perfectly mirror the upfront taste of sodium chloride without using salt. So with that, we're able to tailor that to the local preference, as well as tailor that to different tonalities that is most well loved and most popular around the world.
It's technology like this that helps brands create better-for-you products without losing the flavours people know and love. And as Kerry continues to reimagine taste, that same innovation is helping solve another global challenge, the shortage of cocoa. For chocolate lovers everywhere, it's almost impossible to imagine a world without chocolate. That's where Cocoa Booster comes in.
We have solutions to reduce overall cocoa up to 35%. By using our unique technology, our Cocoa Booster, which is in an integrated solution of cocoa powder replacement, will give our consumer with consistent supply with great tasting but manageable cost.
And it's not just cocoa innovation. Kerry's Citrus 2.0 technology delivers citrus flavours that bring exceptional taste stability over time, protecting freshness and avoiding off notes. Kerry's reformulation process is ultimately aimed at helping food and beverage manufacturers around the world build cost-effective and resilient supply chains through science-backed taste and nutrition solutions.
In the end, it's really around how we ensure that food is sustainable and something that consumers can enjoy their uncompromising taste as well. To stay ahead of the game, Kerry continues to innovate and also renovate and proactively seeks new food solutions for our clients and our consumers.